Hello guys, today we are going to talk about super function, and we will also see overloading in case of object-oriented programming, and we will understand inheritance as well in the specific scenario. So let us go ahead and see this particular thing. So this is my Python super function represented by my Superman. So right here in first example, we are taking class alpha, and in this class alpha, we are using one class variable, and I have specifically named it like class alpha class local variable. So this is your local variable inside this. Then I am creating one constructor right here. So this constructor, it has a variable, and that is var1, and I am assigning value, and again I am putting the comment in a way that it should be easily understandable for everyone. So class is alpha and constructor or init function. Second one is my class beta, which is child class of alpha class. So right here we are inheriting alpha class right here, and right now I'm just giving pass to it. I'm not writing any set of code inside it. I'm creating two objects, small a and small b. Small a is from alpha and small b from beta, and then using object of class b, we are initiating class variable 1. So when you will run this one, you will find that your output is this particular thing, that is your class alpha class local variable. Okay, so when you are trying to access it, so it is fetching this particular value. Then in the second case again, what we are doing right here is I'm adding one instance variable right here. So in my this particular constructor, I am adding one instance variable, that is again class var1. Right here you have a local variable, now you have an instance variable, and then you are trying to access this one. So when you will run this one, what will happen? In place of your class local variable, it will move towards instance variable, and it will print this particular thing. Okay, priority of instance variable is more than your class local variable. So this need to be understood. Instance variable means it is taking priority over your local variable. Now next one is when you have, let me copy it. Yeah. Now right here what I'm doing is I'm creating one more I'm creating variable right here in my child class. Okay, although I'm creating a variable in child class, what will happen right here is it will still prefer to print this particular stuff, this particular instance variable. It will not print this one, it will print the instance variable. Now let us override this particular thing. I think it is copied twice. So we are overriding using we are overriding this particular thing. So let us see this one. So right here you can see we have variable 1, we have variable class class var1. So these two things are again right here, and I am overriding my parent class. I am overriding my parent class, and right here you can see this particular whatever variables which are right there, they are overridden by my. So when I will run this one, so what will happen now? First, it will get executed. Okay, because my alpha is my parent class, so everything will be get executed, but this will override it. This will override it, and then it will print where self dot where one class beta constructor or init function and your instance variable of beta class, and it will print that one. So right here you can see the output for both of them. Now next one is where I want specifically data from my this particular class. Okay, I'm looking from this particular class. So what will happen now? I will add one more. I am adding one more variable to it. That is self dot special. That's it. Now when I am running it, so what is happening right here is you can find that what is the issue? An indentation. Okay, issue with indentation. Okay, fine, let it be. So what we are doing right here is we are creating one more constructor inside. We are creating constructor inside our child class. Now we are also using super method for this particular function. Now using super method, what will happen? It will go back to the parent class, and then it will try to fetch this particular information. Okay, in the previous one, as we have overridden it, it is not going to the previous one. Now due to super init, it is going to the previous value. So what will happen? When I will execute this one, it will first go to class where one and where one. Okay, so this will go, this will get in, these two values will be initiated. So these two things will be captured inside these variables. But after your super, I have these two values. So it will override it, and it will rewrite the things, and you will get output of beta. Okay. Now same function and same stuff right here. What you are doing is you are moving your super to bottom. Okay, you are moving super to the bottom, and what you are doing now, you are executing this one. So what will happen now? First, it will take the values for where one and where class where one, and after that this particular init will get instantiated, and it will take these two values, and as a result you can see here we have both the values. Okay, so I hope you understood the functionality of super function. You have also understood how how we override the things, how we override a class, and inheritance, as well as with these examples, everything must be clear to you. So please do subscribe this particular channel and give thumbs up to it, and stay tuned with this particular channel, and thank you very much.